Okay.
We're on? Hello, and welcome to my Weekly Wacky Wednesday video. This week I'm reporting to you live from the first blizzard of 2010 with a estimated total snowfall in the end of 6 to 15 inches. And as you can see now, there's almost some accumulation on the ground. Look at that, some white snow. I'm glad that school was let out early today, or else it would have been quite unsafe for children to get home in this weather. As always, to start this week's video is my Weekly Wacky Wednesday video, Weekly Wacky Wednesday Word of the Week. Let me get out the cards. Here they are. This week's word is going to be dog, as in dog, as in yo dog, what's up? Okay, so now for my new segment, the Weekly Wacky Wednesday video, week in review in 10 seconds or less. So here goes. The government shut down because of the snowfall. Sarah Palin spoke at the Tea Party conference, and it's reported she wrote her notes on her hand. So did I. And also, I hear the Colts didn't win the Super Bowl. Okay, that's the news. So now, on to something even more important. Now that it's 2010, and I'm a second semester senior, I thought I would enjoy life some more. And since it snows, the perfect thing to do when it snows is to go on a sled. So I have one here, and I happen to have a little hill in my yard, so I'm gonna go sledding. Alright guys, remember, always remain seated in your sled, as you might hurt yourself. So, here we go. Alright guys, I guess it's not really enough snow, but there's nothing wrong with that. So, see you all next week, and happy birthday, and I gotta get back inside before I'm drenched in this almost complete whiteout. See ya!